Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. It's very easy. First let us try to draw the figure. Okay, there is a vertical pole of length 6 meter is there. So let us first write down draw a vertical pole. Vertical means standing position, horizontal means sleeping position. Okay, so vertical pole is there, so let's draw a vertical pole. Okay, so this is a vertical pole. I'll name it A and B. Then of vertical pole of length 6 meter. So this length is 6 meter. So this pole cast a shadow of 4 meter long. So vertical means I told you standing position. So shadow normally falls on the ground. Okay. So when shadow will fall? When the sunlight is there or any light is there, then only the shadow falls. Here also you see now, since light is there, you see my shadow can be seen. So when sun is there, so if there is a sun, okay, there is a sun, okay, the sunlight falls on the pole, and so on the ground the shadow of this pole, the shadow will be falling on the ground. So how much? 4 meter long. So 4 meter long, the shadow is falling on the ground, so it will be horizontal. Okay, so it is 4 meter. 4 meter, I'll name it this as a C, this point. Okay, so this is AB is the pole. This I'll write down. So this is the pole of 6 meter and the shadow is 4 meter on the ground. Okay, so now I'll join both the points. I'll just join it. So this becomes the triangle now. So when I join it, it becomes the triangle. So now same way, you see, at the same time when the sun is in the same position, at the same time there is a tower is there, and that tower also is casting a shadow. So there is a tower. We don't know how big is the tower. We don't know. So there is a tower. So there is a tower. I'll just name it maybe P and Q. Okay. So there is a tower. This is tower. Okay. So there is a tower. Cast a shadow of 28 meter. So that's also is casting a shadow of 28 meter. So this I'll name it as R. Okay. So 28 meter, it is casting a shadow because sun is there in the same position, and therefore here the pole is casting the shadow of 4 meter. Here the tower is casting a shadow of 28 meter. Okay, so this also I will join it. Then it becomes the triangle. Okay, so the figure is complete now, but what we have to find out is find the height of the tower. That means we have to find out what is the height of the tower. So we have to find the height of this tower. Okay, so let's write down. It's very easy, this sum. So in triangle ABC, okay, so in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, okay, between these two triangles, what are the things are similar? Let us see. So can we say angle B will be equal to angle Q, because tower and pole both are vertically standing, right? And both the shadows are falling on the ground. Ground is horizontal. So when it is vertical, when we say this line is vertical, to this horizontal line, it forms a 90-degree angle. So here also will be 90 degree, here also will be 90 degree. So therefore, in this two triangle, we can say angle Q is equal to, anyway, first I wrote ABC, right? ABC I have written, so let us take angle B. Since I have written first this triangle. So angle B is equal to angle Q because both are 90 degree. Okay. Now another similarity or another thing we can find that angle R will be equal to angle C. Both this angle will be equal. Why? Because see, sun is up. Okay. So when you see the sun is shining here, then from the sun and the ground level, there is angle is formed. This is a ground level, the shadow is the ground level, and up is the sun. So from the sun, a ray is coming and you have a ground level. So the angle that is formed will be the same here also, because here also is the same sun only. Same time only it is written, right? At the same time only the sun. Same time only here also the shadow is falling. So that means from the sun and the shadow that is formed, if I have to draw this figure here down, it will be the same only because the sun is there in the same position. If that figure I draw here, then it will be the from the sun and the ground level, the angle formed will be the same. Since I have drawn here, for your imagination it will be difficult for you because you will see sun is here and here figure is here. So if I have drawn this figure here, then your imagination would have been clear. Okay, sun in the same position. So the angle that is formed for this pole and the shadow angle that is formed, ground level angle, will be the same for this also. So we call it this as the angle of elevation of the sun. Okay, so from the sun, let me take sun is, if I have to draw for this tower sun, if I have to draw this side, then the sun, same time it is, so the sun is here, the ground level is here, so the angle that is formed will be the same. So let me draw for you. Sun is here. So same way for this also, same time the sun is here, the angle that from the sun and the horizontal line is here, angle that is formed will be the same. So for this also, when sun is in the same position, from the sun and the ground level, angle formed will be the same. So this we call it as a angle elevation, no, angle of elevation of the sun. So therefore we can say angle C will be equal to angle R because it is the angle of elevation of the sun. Okay, between ground and the sun, the angle that is formed we call angle of elevation. Okay, so the two angles we got it. So now can we say this, both the triangles are similar? So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by angle criteria. Okay, so by angle criteria, both the triangle become similar. If both the triangles are similar, then the sides of the ratios are also will be equal, because that is the condition for similarity. Angles will be equal and sides of the ratios also will be equal. So if both are similar, then the sides of the ratios will be equal. So PQ upon this side will be upon this side, height and height, PQ upon AB. Here again I will take it first ABC triangle because I have written ABC. So first I will take it AB. Okay, so AB upon PQ. Okay, then equal to, here base is what? Here BC. So BC upon here QR equal to, hypotenuse here is AC upon here it is PR. All sides of the ratios will be equal. So now since it is we have to find out the height of this tower, that is PQ. So both the side base is given to us value and height is given to us, one side height is there. So we can very easily find out. The third side we don't need. Okay, this side we don't need, so we don't take into consideration. This we don't take into consideration because we have to find out the height actually. So we'll take only this, both the side. So AB value is what? AB value is 6. So 6 upon PQ is how much? PQ we don't know. PQ is the height. Equal to BC is how much? 4. And QR is how much? 28. Okay. So now let's calculate 1 time. Here it will be 7 times. So 6 upon H equal to 1 upon 7. Now let us cross multiply. Cross multiply. Okay. So H into 1 and here 6 into 7. So H equal to 6 into 7s are 42 meter. So we had to find out height only. Find the height of the tower. So we have find out the height of the tower. That's our answer. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.